Today we're traveling to the heart of Iran to explore a timeless design language that has shaped cities and homes for thousands of years. Traditional Iranian architecture is a masterclass in balance between form and function, aesthetics and climate, and materials and meaning. In this video, we'll uncover the striking visual elements and geometric patterns, the smart use of local materials like adobe, tiles, and bricks, how architecture responds to sunlight, seasons, and desert winds, and why these ancient techniques still matter today. Let's begin this architectural journey into the soul of Iran. Geometry and visual elements. Iranian architecture isn't just built, it's drawn with mathematical precision. At the core of its visual identity is geometry. You'll see symmetrical floor plans, repetitive star-shaped patterns, intricate mosaics with polygons and interlacing motifs. These patterns aren't just decorative. They create a sense of infinity and harmony, using proportion, scale, and repetition to guide the eye and calm the mind. Even ceilings, especially domes, are canvases for complex geometric art, where mathematics becomes pure beauty. Space and climate response. Iran is a country of extreme climates, scorching summers, cold winters, and dry air. Traditional architecture was never just about shelter. It was about passive comfort. Courtyards are central. They're often surrounded by rooms on all sides, with a garden or pool in the middle. Why? Because this inward-facing design provides privacy, controls sunlight exposure, encourages natural airflow, and brings greenery into desert cities. Then there's the genius of the badgir, or windcatcher, a tall tower designed to capture cool breezes and channel them into living spaces. Think of it as an ancient air conditioner. No electricity, just brilliant design. Domes and thick walls made of adobe and mud brick insulate homes, keeping interiors cool by day and warm by night. Their rounded shape helps circulate air and soften the harshness of direct sunlight. Materials that matter. Iranian builders built with what was around them. Adobe, a mix of clay, straw, and water, was molded into bricks and dried in the sun. It's biodegradable, insulating, and perfectly suited to the dry climate. Tiles, colorful, glazed, and hand-cut, brought life to walls and facades. You'll find brilliant blues, earthy, and deep turquoise tones, all made from natural pigments. Even the layout of bricks and placement of windows was done with the sun and wind in mind, often following the path of the sun throughout the year. This approach didn't just build homes, it built living ecosystems where structure, material, and environment work together in harmony. Why it still matters? What's incredible is how relevant this architecture still is. In today's world of climate change, rising energy costs, and urban stress, these ancient Iranian methods offer sustainable cooling and heating, natural light optimization, locally sourced materials, and a design philosophy that puts humans in harmony with nature. Architects around the world are now revisiting these principles. From passive houses in Europe to desert homes in California, the DNA of Iranian architecture is going global. So what can we learn from traditional Iranian architecture? That good design lasts when it listens to the land, respects materials, and values the way we live and feel in our spaces. If you found this exploration inspiring, let us know in the comments below. Which element impressed you the most? Geometry, courtyards, or wind catchers? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Home Makeover, and share it with fellow design lovers.